welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I share with you eventful future for my fish keeping experience. Today I share with you additional cichlid that I've added to my fish stock. So I went by upcoming fish keeper who actually had a pair of Jaguar Cichlids, right? The thing is that he is more likely in the goldfish than in cichlids. So I ended up with them, and these are there. Now ending up with them, realizing that my tilapia fish is actually breeding profusely, now I have to find somewhere to place them. Now I place them in one of the small tubs in which I have, the 55-gallon drum tub cut, and I realized that the female have been battered a lot. Our tail have been frazzled out, and the male and the female is like in two different sections, right, of the system. Upon really checking, I realized that it's because the space is so small that the aggression level tends to play out in amongst them. And of course the female, which is a little bit smaller than the male, actually get a little beat up. So I chose to place them in a 250-gallon tote, wherein which I have one single Oscar. And there have been a very tense standoff between that one Oscar and these two Jaguar Cichlids. Yes, Jaguar Cichlids and Oscar can go together. The thing is that this one single Oscar was placed into this tote by itself for a while now, because the original occupants of this one is in a smaller setting, because I am in the mode of breeding them. So therefore I want to monitor them, and to where I see flies swimming, I would remove them and place them into a larger container so the flies actually survive on them by themselves, right? So practically that's a borrowed pond, right? The Oscar has taken it over. It has killed a lot of lizards, a lot of frogs, and it have actually gone for my finger several times, right? But now the Jaguar Cichlids and it kind of have a little standoff, where it's like back in the days where you have gun smoke. Yeah, that western thingy. It's a standoff between both. So we see what we see. I realize that there's less tension between the male and the female jaguar, as they are now focused on the Oscar that is tending to swim around. I'll share with you what happened in the future with these fish. Thank you very much for watching. Join me next time for another share, and I promise you that you will not be disappointed. Bye for now.